Hi there. I'm sure many of you are in the same boat, but one of the struggles I'm having with virtual learning is getting my students engaged during our Zoom classes. Just getting them to turn their cameras on can be quite a challenge. So I tried something different this week. The students were given an assignment at the end of a lesson to create a detailed drawing, and I asked them to do it on paper this time versus using technology. And when they were done and had their illustration created and all of their key elements labeled, they took a picture and uploaded that to the assignment thread, which allowed me to look at their work, give them feedback, allow them the opportunity to make corrections, things like that. The next time when we were in class, I then asked them to set their picture as their background in the Zoom meeting. And they really got excited about this. We were able to look at everyone's work, and then within the Zoom chat feature, they were able to post constructive comments to one another. I was able to ask questions about the content and what they were seeing in the illustrations, and they were able to chat directly back to me on that. And then the other thing I really liked is I have a lot of quieter students who have really great ideas, but they're not real big on talking in the Zoom meetings. So this gave them kind of a silent voice and allowed them to showcase their work. One girl actually said to me, "Mrs. Long, you're making me blush," because I was commenting on how great her illustration was. And it was a really empowering moment for her. So this is something I plan on doing more as we move forward, just to keep the kids engaged during those Zoom meetings, getting their cameras turned on, and allowing everyone a chance to see each other's work in a more safe environment. Sometimes when they upload assignments and it's in a mode that allows others to see it, that can be kind of intimidating, but here they were able to get my feedback ahead of time, make those corrections they needed, and then post their best work for everyone to see. So I hope this is a strategy that will work for you sometime.